So a quick update. We raked a bunch of leaves, got them out of the way from the building more. Put some more stones over there that were not in a good place. Moved the wood pile. This has always been a problem. Well, not a problem, but it seemed like a nice place to put it. I could lean it against the wall, but the problem is it catches leaves here. So I've decided I'm going to keep my small wood pile over there. I don't keep a lot of wood near the shop because I have a lot of kindling wood anyways. So I cleaned this all off, and I've swept it really good. I now have some sawdust on the rock just to dry it off because I'm going to be sitting on it to clean out any rot. And there is some rot there, so I'm going to have to pull that out. Now behind that is a 2x6 treated, so I suspect that's going to be fine. So I'm going to pull this board off, not the whole board I don't think, or maybe I will, I'm not sure. If I do pull the whole board off, I'll put a piece of hemlock there and then concrete against that. We got a little rock going into this corner, so I'll break that off. I think the rest of the board's fine. I'll check that. And I'm pretty sure it's fine over there. And surprisingly, it's fine all the way along through there. So I'm going to get the stones away. I had put the stones really tight because I didn't want animals crawling underneath there, but the problem is it builds up with leaves and stuff, so maybe I got to rethink that strategy. I think I'm going to take a break right now, then I'll come back and sweep the rock off, pull all the rot out, and see what we have before we get the concrete ready. I noticed the doorway too needs a little TLC. It's kind of rough in here. It's not totally rotted, but it's headed in that direction, so I need to scrape that off. Maybe do some recaulking here on the corner. Snow likes to sit in these corners. And maybe I should even prime this, even though I'm not going to prime everything else, but that would give us some protection for this winter. Okay, time to take a break, and we'll get back at it. Preparation is everything. Huge. You got to spend the time and prep it right.